What are the problems derived from drinking bottled water? Mention two problems at least. First, if we consume bottled water, 8% of it ends up in landfills where it will remain of thousands of years, or in incineration where it's burned, releasing toxic pollution into the environment. Second, if we drink bottled water, companies will continue to extract, produce and require enough oil and enough energy is wasted to make the water bottles. What is the difference between bottled water and drinking water? Bottled water will be less regulated than tap water because it is made by companies and the cost 2.000 times more than tap water. Bottled water is actually filtered tap water, whereas drinking water is simply from the tap and not as processed. Describe the process involved in manufacturing plastic bottle. When companies obtain unprocessed materials from nature to make bottles, they fill the bottles with filtered water. When the water has already been bottled, they transport the bottles to people. They collect the empty bottles, some throw them in landfills or in incineration. The other bottles will be the ones they are recycled to make agility products, and the other remains bottles are thrown people's jars. What happens with the plastic bottle after they throw they away? If they don't break down in the ground, 18% end up landfills for many years or end up of incinerators, where they are burned, releasing toxic pollution into the environment. The rest of the bottles are collected for recycling, where they are turned into lower quality products, and the parts that could not be recycled were dumped in someone else's bucket. What solution can be implemented to solve this problem? If we promote campaigns from home, schools, and boards on bottled water, people will stop using bottled water and drink tap water. If we were to ban the purchase of bottled water in the entire city, people will drink clean water. Is the problem common in your community? What does the community do there with it? If it is a common problem in my community because the water is not drinkable, it will be for this reason that people consume bottled water because they consider that is less uncontaminated. Will you drink bottled water again? Why? Why not? No, I will never buy or drink bottled water again. I will try to drink filtered type water. When I leave home, I will bring my own drinking water and thus avoid consuming bottled water. What will you do in the future to reduce the number of plastic bottles used in the world? If requiring our community officials to invest in order to have clean and drinkable water from the tap, will we thus reduce the consu- consumption, I don't know, of drinking bottled water? If we all work together to ban the purchase of bottled water, the whole will be the solution for our health, and thus we will be contributing to the planet.